Welcome to Adya Learnings. In today's video, we shall be talking about taxes. CBDT has unveiled new norms for IT returns for the year 2021. As per the notification, ITR can be furnished under 7 forms. They are from ITR 1 to ITR 7. ITR 1, also known as Sahaj, is for resident individuals. It is not applicable for NRIs. As per the Sahaj form, it is for salary income or for pensioned people. The income may be from one house property and the agriculture income should be for less than 5,000. The total income should not be more than 50 lakhs per annum. Also, income from lottery or gaming is also included in this form. ITR 2. This is for individuals or for Hindu undivided families. In this form, NRIs are also included. The total income should be above 50 lakhs. It can be for a pensioner or for a salaried income person. The income from housing property, income from capital gains, agriculture income greater than 5,000 is in the purview. ITR Form 3 is for Hindu undivided families and for individuals. Here, professionals and business income are to be filed. Investment in unlisted equity shares are to be filed. If you are a partner in a firm or a director of a company, you need to file the returns under ITR 3. Income from pension, salary, housing property and other sources have to be furnished here. The annual turnover has to be less than 2 crores. The next is ITR 4. It is also called SUGAM or SUGAM. It is for professions, business, Hindu undivided families and for partnership firms. The next is ITR 5. It is for investment funds, business trust, estates of insolvents, estates of the deceased. ITR 6, ITR 7 is also dealing with the businessmen. As per the new notification, joint owners of a housing property should file the ITR return under the Sahaj form. Any high spend transactions should also be notified, which can be in and around 1 crore. Foreign travels that has expenditure of 2 lakhs or electricity bill exceeding 1 lakh should also be mandatorily disclosed. Hope with all this information, this episode was useful. Please share, subscribe and like our channel.